Important ones on social media. And the most important purchase that is going on right now is TikTok. TikTok, number one, most important. X. We have to fight the fight, okay? Give direction to the Jewish people and give direction to our non-Jewish friends or those who could be our Jewish our friends. Are we going to succeed with everyone? No. Will there be a strong counterpoint? Yes.
Upaya Israel untuk memenangkan perang propaganda di tengah meningkatnya isolasi internasional, khususnya terkait tindakannya di Gaza, kini semakin terkuak. Perdana Menteri Israel Benjamin Netanyahu dalam pertemuannya dengan influencer Amerika mengakui bahwa ia menggunakan media sosial sebagai senjata paling penting untuk mempengaruhi opini publik, terutama Amerika Serikat. Ia bahkan secara spesifik menyebut TikTok sebagai media yang paling berpengaruh saat ini.
TikTok, number one, most important.
Selain itu, Netanyahu juga menyinggung X dan menyebut pendirinya Elon Musk bukan sebagai musuh, melainkan sebagai teman. Ia percaya bahwa jika TikTok dan X atau Twitter dimanfaatkan, Israel akan mendapatkan banyak keuntungan, seperti yang dikutip dari Anadolu. Penggunaan media sosial sebagai alat diplomatik Israel bukan sekedar klaim, melainkan didukung oleh laporan tentang adanya dana besar yang dialokasikan untuk membayar influencer. Dilansir dari Middle East Eye, berdasarkan catatan Foreign Agents Registration X atau FARA, pemerintah Israel telah mengalokasikan 900.000 USD atau sekitar 14,8 miliar rupiah untuk membayar influencer dari pertengahan Juni hingga akhir November tahun ini. Laporan dari Middle East Eye, para influencer memposting antara 25 hingga 30 unggahan pro-Israel setiap bulan di berbagai platform seperti Instagram, TikTok, X, YouTube, dan Threads. Kabarnya, setiap unggahan berpotensi menghasilkan hingga 6.000 USD, bahkan bisa mencapai lebih dari 7.000 USD.
A lot of this is done with money. Money of NGOs, vast. Money of governments, vaster. Okay? We have to fight back. How do we fight back? Our influences. I think you should also talk to them if you have a chance. To that community, they're very important. And secondly, we're going to have to use the tools of battle. You know, the weapons change over time. You can't fight today with swords. That doesn't work very well. Okay? And you can't fight with cavalry. That doesn't work very well. And you have these new things, you know, like drones, things like that. I won't get into that. But we have to fight with the weapons that apply to the battlefield we need to engage. And the most important ones are on social media. And the most important purchase that is going on right now is TikTok. TikTok, number one. And I hope it goes through because it can be consequential. And the other one, what's the other one? That's most important. X. Exactly. Very good. And, you know, so we have to talk to Elon. He's not an enemy. He's a friend. We should talk to him. Now, if we can get those two things, we get a lot. And I could go on other things, but that's not the point right now. We have to fight the fight. Okay? Give direction to the Jewish people and give direction to our non-Jewish friends or those who could be our Jewish friends. Are we going to succeed with everyone? No. Will there be a strong counterpoint? Yes.
Download Tribun X sekarang, menghadirkan lokal menjadi Indonesia.